The idea of humanity living on Mars has fascinated people for decades, if not centuries. Mars, often considered Earth's twin, offers a tantalizingly similar environment in some respects. Its size, terrain, and the presence of ice caps at its poles give it an earthly feel. However, the conditions on Mars are starkly different and currently inhospitable to human life. The Martian atmosphere, composed of 95% carbon dioxide, lacks the oxygen needed for breathable air. There is an absence of liquid water, and temperatures plummet to a freezing minus 100 degrees Celsius. Mars presents an extreme survival scenario, which is not only a technical challenge but also a human one. The exploration of Mars is a saga that began in earnest in 1976 with the first Viking missions. These missions were fraught with challenges, not least the incident where a robot's arm broke. The arm was fixed by a wireless command from Earth, reminding us of our ability to overcome seemingly impossible obstacles, a testament to human ingenuity. The dreams of traveling and perhaps colonizing Mars have been fueled by potential scientific discoveries and a deeper human desire for escape. Consider the distance from Earth to Mars, a journey that would take about a year and the vast amount of fuel needed. The idea of creating a gas station or space station en route has been proposed, where rockets could refuel and continue their journey. Yet, the challenge of existing on Mars once we arrive is even greater. Scientists have proposed creating a viable atmosphere on Mars by utilizing its abundant carbon dioxide. A potential chemical reaction could produce methane and water, which could in turn be split into hydrogen and oxygen. These resources could fuel rockets and provide breathable air. Yet this solution remains theoretical and faces significant technical challenges. The Martian cold is another formidable barrier. An originally outrageous idea involved detonating nuclear bombs on or beneath Mars's surface. This plan is fraught with both ethical and logistical problems. Creating controllable and sustainable living conditions through less destructive means seems a more viable path. Perhaps the most inspiring concept is constructing vast greenhouse-like structures where plants could produce oxygen. Plants could create a microatmosphere capable of supporting life. The potential use of algae and other plants to create a sustainable environment is a dream based on the success of such synergies on Earth. Economic considerations add a bitter dose of reality. Building infrastructure on Mars poses immense costs that might be prohibitive. The dreamers, including projects suggested by Japan, foresee trillion-dollar costs, imagining cities of glass under protective domes and space mirrors harnessing solar energy to warm the planet. As much as science fiction has explored these concepts, the reality is fraught with complexity and uncertainty. Each imagined solution encounters technological and financial barriers, transforming these dreams into distant aspirations. Yet, these dreams reflect a deeper human longing to escape from Earth problems, wars, pollution, hunger, and overcrowding. In many ways, the dream of Mars colonization symbolizes humanity's unending quest to find a better, more peaceful existence. What we find, however, is that the problems we wish to escape from may follow us. Mars offers no escape from the human condition. The ingenuity and spirit that dream of colonizing Mars are the same that could help improve life on Earth. Rather than escaping, perhaps humanity's biggest challenge is to learn to adapt, to live sustainably on the planet we've always called home. Ultimately, the story of Mars colonization serves as a mirror of our own desires and fears, reflecting both our creative aspirations and the often complicated reality of what it means to be human. Thanks for watching.